Today we will be making traditional German potato pancakes. We're gonna start with chopping the onion, and please do it very thinly. You don't want big raw onion chunks in your potato pancakes. Next, we're gonna peel and cut the potatoes into quarters, and we're gonna put them through a medium grater. I am using kitchen machine. I love my potato pancakes from short, medium, thick strands. Create the dough in a small bowl by adding eggs and salt, mixing it together with a fork. Then you add the drained, grated potatoes into the bowl, chopped onions and flour. Now mix everything together and start frying immediately. For frying, I am using vegetable oil, but you can use lard if you like. Check the oil temperature by adding, for example, wooden spoon to the pan. If the oil bubbles, temperature is alright. Fry 1 tablespoon of potato mixture on medium heat. The perfect pancake is 1/2 centimeter thick and round. Before placing another pancake into the pan, stir the mixture gently. Fry each pancake for 3 to 4 minutes from each side. Lower the heat if they brown too quickly. Drain off the fat from the pancakes on the paper towel and transfer them into the oven to keep them warm. Serve with apple or garlic sauce.